What? For the world, it's not a plan. You just watch what go on, you know. Carefully. A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know where it go. When I come for represent. A full effecting man. You don't know where it go. When I load up. Aim up. Crank up. Draw necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, no man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying one from YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, nation people. Trust me and believe. It can't get no more electrifying than that. No gimmicks thing that they about it, no lollipop thing that in my gear. Right now, the world boss sitting another gear upon them. Right now, them are that ball. And I talk about, yo, him for come off for the media. Him dep on the media too much. And very, he must steal out himself. Yo, you see, instead, is a super gear the man kicking, my brother, from them. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you what I go on. Right now, I think the G qualify. You see me, and solidify for having own a TV show. Right now, that's how the G are deal with social media. I like movie settings. You see what I say? And the stuff them where the G all are post, you know what I mean? It's unusual to the people them. Them never ever witnessed such shit from world boss before. Differently from teachers, man. To the way all the G step it up right now. Me I tell you, me no know. My belief, the way me I think, me almost sure say them for crown him over again. Cause me no see the next king who are gonna step forward for dancehall for the next decades. Not to all world boss off the leech, my brother. No gimmicks business that they in it. No lollipop thing that in it the way how me I represent. A Gaza way there ain't no other way. First thing the world boss I go around and I big up all young business. Every place the man go, the people them get highlight about them business. Let me tell you something. Are the first it ever seen by any dancehall artist in a dancehall ever. It can't be taken away, my brother. The people them come like it's a relief from a new system breeze to all the people them enjoy the man, brother. No gimmicks business, no dead about it. Everywhere the man turn, my brother, a crazy shellings. And the people them business I get big up to the fullest. Right now, everybody want world boss come at them place, my brother. It no matter what you do. It no matter what you do. All if a house you clean. You want the world boss come at your place, my brother. To shout it out. You see what I say? Right now, let me tell you something, dog. When the world boss is ready for music, because right now we see like a straight promotion thing the world boss left on. And a meet and greet. You see the world boss ready for music and sit down and say music. Oh fuck, man. The rest are history nation people. Right now, may I tell you, them can't manage the brother. No gimmicks business that they're about it. Dancehall never witnessed nothing like this before. This new to dancehall. All the thing them what the man them used to do before. And this antisocial thing cut out of dancehall. This going around disrespecting vloggers, cut out of dancehall. You see this thing where man go like them a Matthew man and then I have no love for the woman them outside cause them not show it outside in the public. They won't go and do it in a closed door that cut out. The world boss make them think they fling away. You see what I say? Shell way. Hotter than we hell there. No gimmicks thing that in my game, no lollipop thing that in it nation people. On a seed for no own eyes and no own me and make up. You see what I say? Them can't manage the brother. You see what I deal with? No lollipop thing that they about it nation people right now. Gaza take off first class. You see what I say? What I say? Right now, I see the G not even leave. Look at the along. So, I done see the G show him the shortcut about the business. You see what I say? So, him can stand up on him foot looking from this and deal with the business. Crab it like how the world boss deal with it. No joke shit not there about it. You hear me I tell you no? Yo, December 31st, if the world boss continue like that, I think stadium I got cave in. You not hear me? I say it I got cave in, no lollipop thing not there about it. No gimmicks thing not there about it, nation people. A real way I represent Gaza way, there ain't no other way. I say the world boss off the loose. You see what I say? Yeah, what the other man touching a mobby and the only thing I bend for, the man never get for see fat pum pum diamond. My bend plus Patex. Because the G did well want to see diamond because you know diamond die-hearted Gaza. No gimmicks thing not there about it. But everything they cute and Chris got the G link up family. No lollipop thing not in it. So right now, I start to all believe all urban news. You see what I say? When them did forward out and I say Tommy Lee and Ross Clark, Popcorn, Spice and Massacre get booked for the show. I don't know. It look like a show, my brother. Like the next thing that in it, no lollipop thing in it. But we are going to see and wait till when necessary forward out. We're not going to jump the gun too quick. But let me tell you something. Them can't manage the way how the world boss are deal with things. You hear me I tell you? Right now you soon see the young youth them start follow because guess what? A classroom them in and I learn them I learn. And just remember say the teacher teach. The teacher there at work. No lollipop thing in a nation people. No gimmicks thing in the game. The way how represent a Gaza way they ain't no other way. You know the general the 10-star one. Big up the whole of FME, Federal Music Entertainment, Federal Gaza. You don't know the thing, big up the whole of Rosetown, the whole of Trenchtown, the whole of Denantown, the whole of Jonestown, the whole of Arnett Garden, the whole of Jungle. A 10-star the general I represent. Waterford, you don't know the badness now. The world boss touch the road with the clip them low. Gaza forever. There's what I say. Yeah, the world boss too dynamic, too unique. So eccentric. Dancehall can't manage that shit. You see the man and Gucci man wife, eh? Yo, not a lollipop thing that they night. You see what I say, interviewing for everybody, but not the boy of them will violate Gaza. Big up on the self-nation people. And one general, the 10-star one I represent. What? Nation people. Hear me man? Whoa.